Today, at the 45th RIL AGM, Shri Mukesh Ambani, Chairman and Managing Director, made major announcements on 5G with the introduction of Jio True 5G.
Jio has prepared an ambitious and the fastest ever 5G rollout plan for a country of our size. Within the next 2 months, that is by Diwali of 2022, we will launch Jio 5G across multiple key cities, including the metro cities of Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Calcutta. Subsequently, we plan to increase the Jio 5G footprint month after month until by December of 2023, which is less than 18 months from today, to deliver Jio 5G to every town, every taluka and every tehsil of our country.
An even more exciting possibility of Jio 5G is ultra-high speed fixed broadband. And since you get fiber-like speeds over the air without any wires, we are calling it Jio Air Fiber. With Jio Air Fiber, it is now really easy and really quick to connect your home or office to gigabit speed internet. We've developed a Jio Air Fiber home gateway, which is a wireless, simple, single device solution. Get it, plug it in and turn it on. And